Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I use the new Noodle cover for the barrel blade to clean my wheels every couple months. Come check it out. Alright, you're probably wondering why I only clean my car every couple of months. It's because I'm so busy cleaning everybody else's car, putting ceramic coating on it and PPF. So, yes, my car does tend to sit outside. It gets kind of dirty on the occasion that it does get driven, and then it kind of just sits there. So the Noodle cover for our barrel blade is actually a really good tool for this, because these wheels are like a gunmetal color. You can't tell because they're covered in brake dust. And this is sort of in between our standard barrel blade head as well as our Scrub Ninja is the most aggressive, the Scrub Ninja head. So what I have here is American Detailer Garage F-Bomb 10-to-1, diluted 10-to-1 in this spray canister. I have the Noodle cover, which is now available on our website for the for the barrel blade. And then I have a wheel flip if I need to touch up anything else. So I'm going to show you the process to cleaning this. It's really simple, but I just want to demonstrate to you how we use this. So the first thing I'm going to do is wait for the battery to kick in, and I'm going to use my sprayer here, and you can see the F-Bomb is, you see how dirty it is, and you can also see how well the F-Bomb is working almost instantly. You see all that dirt that's coming off. Now, one thing that I do like to do is I have this like medium, kind of a heavy bristle brush, and I want to scrub the tire, and I want to do that because the tire itself gets dirty, and if we want to put tire shine on it after, which we'll probably use American Detailer Garage Unity as well as one of our tire saver applicators, we don't want to put that tire shine onto a dirty tire because it won't last as long. So we're going to put it onto, you know, as clean of a tire as possible. So then, you know, American Detailer Garage F-Bomb is a soap base. I'm just going to kind of dampen this noodle a little bit, but it's a soap base, so if it dries, it'll reactivate with water, so we're going to dampen these noodles. And the barrel blade, if we need to, we can completely bend in a bunch of directions. We can get behind a lot of the calipers. It's pretty thin product here. And there's very few wheels and calipers that I've experienced an issue with the barrel blade getting behind. This particular parking brake being just one of them. You see it gets behind the brake caliper pretty well. These, this is a CT4V Blackwing, and these things are notorious for having difficulty finding wheels that fit because of this, the tight crevices. And then, you know, I like to come behind it with a wheel paw. And our wheel paw is this like mitt-like product that allows you to get your hand in there. I mean, you can also use the barrel blade for this, but this wheel paw kind of allows me to grab the spokes, and I like that. All right, now it's kind of dried up a little bit, but like I said, it reactivates with water. Now, if you find yourself with some really bad wheels, you could either hit this again, or, you know, straight from the beginning, you could use a more concentrated solution such as 4-to-1, or you know, you don't have to just use 10-to-1. So we can then take the wheel flip if we want to clean up any of the other areas. I can kind of reach the caliper here a little bit, and this is good for drying as well. You can see how easily we can clean up wheels, make it very efficient with the right tools.